going to open the window, right? I've just had my internet cut and I can hear a drone up there and a helicopter. Yep, that's definitely a drone noise I can hear. Helicopter's already gone along that way, along the main road, heading that way, and then the helicopter's come back again, but I can hear the drone over this way. Right, but I've just had my internet taken out at the same time, so that's why I decided to start filming it. Alright, it was enough to make Willow go shit in the hallway as soon as she sensed it. Right, I've only just turned the central heating back on, because I've been sitting here just sort of eking it out. Router light's all normal, so don't need to worry about it. Let's just use the light of the thingy. Let's fire the laptop back up, see if it's going to solve that problem, because it's stopping me from accessing any cameras as well. But router's all normal. It's only to induce fear at the moment. And obviously the hexing is affecting the dogs first, because they're second density creatures, right? Okay. So we'll just see what's up there, because there wasn't anything on the radar. We're just seeing if it logs in. Let's have a look down here. No, it's blocking me from doing anything. Oh well. Let them keep trying. That's what one is it? That one, that. Sign into your Microsoft account. No, I don't need to. Network and internet. No internet access. Troubleshoot. There's no point putting the Wi-Fi on because I'm on Ethernet, isn't it? Looking for problems. Yeah, remote host. Collecting results. I'm not bothered. Literally not problem. Problem found. Your computer appears to be correctly configured, but the device. Yeah, it's definitely them up there that's doing it. And they're blocking me accessing the radar to see what they're up to. That would be my guess. Right. So they're hitting a DNS server, according to this. That's okay. At least we know who it is now that's doing it. It's the military, which means it's Crown. Or the Americans. So we're having trouble loading your feed. I know you are, because they've cut the internet. Probably going to say that it's flying saucer drones over Peterborough or something tomorrow, because that's what it sounded like they was chasing. So they wouldn't chase a car all the way down there and then all the way back again to the same area while the drone's flying about. You see what I'm saying? Because I can definitely hear the drone. So, not a problem. Just trying to interfere and cause anxiety, really, isn't it? That's all it is. It's only 1:25, so... Do you know what I'm saying? Right. So let's remove... Let's uninstall that one. Uninstall. Yes. Uninstall. What else is on there that can be uninstalled? Oh, well, it's uninstalling it, so it must be connected to the internet. Uninstall. If you see what I'm saying. What else have we got on here? What we can... touchpad driver. I don't need that on there, do I? Yeah. I haven't put any touchpad driver on there, so that shouldn't be on there. Here it comes back again. Installation complete. What's this one? Well, that's programmer features, right? Cool. Right. Right, connect to the internet. Oh, my router's flashing now. So it's actually turned my router off. Why are the helicopters overhead? So it's definitely them doing it. Let's, I'm just going to step out on the doorstep. Stay there, dogs. Stay there. I said stay there. Yeah, you know as well. You know as well. Let's put my hat on. Let's move the butter before the dog sneak attacks it. Where's the keys? There they are. See what the hell's going on out here. Stay there, dogs. And suddenly it's gone silent out here, isn't it? Right? Hex him. Right, as soon as I stepped out my front door, it stopped. So it's hexing. Mind games. Right, router's reset itself now. I didn't put an update on the phone, right? When they wanted me to do that. Right. And then I started getting lots of pings to go and get a flu jab. After joking after joking, I wasn't joking at all. After saying out loud in the chemist, yeah, still haven't had COVID. Still haven't had a COVID jab. Right. I said, but don't say nothing, eh? And the lady behind she laughed. She knew what I was saying. You know what I mean? Oh. How about that? Right, so as soon as I stepped out the front door, it went back to normal. Right. But I did see someone online, so let's just check. Right, let's just check. One flying monkey. Yeah. Right, I'll stop recording now.